Hey everyone, yep. So after long time, I'm going to create one video that how we can set up or create the NGINX Ingress controller in the Azure cloud. Okay, so we will use this controller. Uh, NGINX controller. We are going to use it for this demo. Okay, there are the many controllers. You can use it as per your convenient. Okay, so let's first jump into the official documentation of the Ingress controller. Okay, so I will paste the links on my video channel as well. You will get to know that why we are using this Ingress controller and what is the benefit to use it. Okay, and I have taken all these steps from this official documentation only. Okay, so if you have any query, you can post it out on the comment section as well. Okay, so this is my GitHub repo where I'm keeping all my repos here. Okay, and for this Ingress controller setup, all the commands are already in this file, so you can refer this file as well to while installing the Ingress controller on your environment. Okay, so let's start with the NGINX controller setup. And so basically we are getting the Ingress controller because if we have many services and we wanted to um, route the traffic, suppose if somebody hitting the traffic abc dot xyz. Okay, and there the many rules are there, so from the one Ingress controller we can manage that DNS. Okay, so I will create a separate video for that thing as well. Okay, but for today I will tell you how to create the NGINX Ingress controller. Okay, so before the creation of the NGINX controller we need one public IP. Okay, so what we can do, if you are in Azure, you can copy this command. Okay, and after getting the output from this command, you have to just need to replace this value from the above command. Okay, so this will create a public IP on your environment on your Azure cloud. So as I told already, I have the public IP, so I don't need to fire these commands. Okay, so we will start with this command. Okay, so I am firing this command. What it will do, it will create the namespace in Ingress deployment. Okay, so we are creating the NGINX Ingress controller on the specific namespace, so it will help you if anything you need to check it. So it will isolate the setup and everything. Okay, before after creating the namespace, so we are using the Helm. Okay, to install the Ingress controller. So for that we need to add the repos. Okay, so we need to add the repos. Okay, and you need to add two repos here. Okay, after adding these repos we need to run the Helm repo update as well. Okay, and as you can see that it is successfully got updated. We can check it on our repo environment and repo list. Wow, so both the repos are has been installed. Okay, now uh, so this is the NS controller which we are using it to install this controller on Azure cloud. So you can see the GitHub repo as well and the chart as well if you wanted to see that what the values are here. So this is the values. Okay, which this is the command from where you can see the all the existing values on the current ingress values of YML. Okay, so I'm showing you this value because we are going to replace this value as per the our requirement and as per the and as per the our setup needed. Okay, so so this is the values. You can see it here and you can modify it here. Okay, so as you can see that I have created uh, I have created this. Okay, and you can see that I will going to install the Helm, and I will going to install the NGINX controller by using Helm. So we need to copy this command. So I will also explain briefly that why we are using this command. So This is the command which we are going to use it for installation of the NGINX Ingress controller. So it will use the chart engineering Ingress which we have added before, okay, and the namespace Ingress deployment. So we are modifying the values which are currently uh, different on the values.yml, okay. So you can verify it from the values.yml. The things are pretty much different, okay, as per the if I say you the controller account in the values.yml there's a 1, okay, but we are keeping 2. You can make it 4 as well, okay. And uh, and here, so these are the things which we are going to use it, okay. And we need to put the public IP here as well, okay. As I say that already I have created this, okay. So this will command that English controller will create on different namespace. We are using the account 2, and we're using node selectors as a Linux, okay. So these are the command, you just need to enter it, and you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. It will take some time, okay. So in the meanwhile, you will see that our Helm, our chart has been installed, okay. And we can verify it by running this command, kubectl get all hyphen a, and it will show you the component which are used for the Linux controller. You can see the load balancer has been created, okay. And uh, with this public IP, we will copy this and we will try to hit this on our environment. Okay, so it will take some time, okay, don't worry about it. It will going to take some time, and let's do it. And everything has been up and running. So just need to be sure, as we have the 2 desired count, okay. While installing the controller we have chosen the count 2, and it is created on the Ingress deployment. It is also created Ingress in deployment, and this is the external IP, okay, which we are need to see. Our Nginx controller has been set up, and this is the expected output, okay. If you're getting the Ingress is a 404 not found, that it means that you have set up the correct Ingress controller, okay. So for the next video, I will create one next video where I will show that how you can create the domain, that how we can use the Nginx controller to route the multiple DNS traffic, okay. So that's it for today. And if you have any doubts, you can post on the comment section. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.